Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be showing you guys how to make a phone charm, and by that I mean this little bead thing that's trending all over. Like literally everybody has it, or everybody is making them, so why not jump on the bandwagon because they're super cute. And I ended up putting it on this clear case. You can't really tell, but it's glittery. So this is what it looks like. It says yeah, if you know where that's from. If you know, you know. So, and it has little clouds, and then I just did a purple, blue, white. I have so many. I'm obsessed. Like when I tell you I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed. It's super easy. It literally takes like no more than 10 minutes. Once you get the hang of it, it'll take like 6 seconds. So you just have to figure out the theme you want. If you want to learn how to make a phone charm, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with all of the things you need for this. It's super easy. You can go to Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Target, I'm sure has it. Anywhere that's a craft store, you'll be able to find them. I have all the different bead selections. This one is just letters, and then this one's colors. It has some letters in there, and then I also bought these. They're kind of like little charms, I guess. I have more in this one here. But yeah, I'm gonna have white ones, a bunch of pink ones. But yeah, let's get into the video. And then you'll also need some string. This one does come with it, however, this one is not. I don't think it's good enough for the phones. Also going to need a pair of scissors and a ruler to kind of measure the string out. So starting off with the string, looks like this. It's clear, which is better. I want to measure it to 15 inches. Mine only goes up to 12, so then obviously I go back and to the 5, so I'll go all the way to 12 and add 5 more onto that. So 15 inches. Once you get that, just cut it off. It's 15 inches and it hangs a little bit below the case. If you want it to be longer, then I would recommend doing it just a little bit longer, but I think 15 inches is perfect. So from there you have your string. Cute, cute. You're going to want to tie a knot on the bottom. So put the 2 loose ends like this, turn it over, and then tie a little knot. And this is what's going to hold the phone, like onto the case. It's gonna make like a little, you just fold it like that. It's kind of hard to show you guys, but fold it like this, and then you have the loop that's gonna go, not me, I'm like trying to see, but then it keeps giving me hello. Okay, you could kind of see it there. Eek, this is the worst angle ever. Tying a towel there. I just made a loop at the end, so we have the separate ones, and then we're gonna put the beads through this. But then you have this, which is gonna hook onto the phone. So now that we have our string, it's literally time to decorate. That's literally everything. So the colors, like I said, it's totally up to you how you want to do it. Just start putting the colors in, and then that's pretty much it. I think this time I'm gonna do green. I haven't done green yet. Green, white, or should I do red? I have not. I don't know. This is the hardest part ever. Let's do some white. So yeah, so I'm gonna speed the process up. I'm literally, so like I said, the 2 ends, just stick the beads in there. Go, go, go. Okay, so now we are at the end. I just did white and green. So you're gonna wanna leave at least this much space. We'll just tie it here. I'll just double knot it. So just like that. And then we'll just do it again until we think it's tight enough. Because if this fell, like if I was at a concert, if I was out and this literally broke, I would be so embarrassed, and I would just simply evaporate. So we don't want to be embarrassed and evaporate, so let's do it correctly. I did around like 4 knots there, and then you'll just want to attach it to your phone to begin with. This one up here. This is how we're going to attach it to the phone. I'm gonna attach it to this part of the phone here where the silent button is on that. Loop it through that, and then carefully loop it through that hole there. So this is what it looks like. It is so cute, like imagine taking a photo. So that concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's so easy to make, so fun. I make my friends them all the time and they love them. Okay, so the other one that I made the other day is just this pink purple one. It has a little rainbow. Another one I made, it says good for you, if y'all know where that's from. Alright, so that concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below, follow me on my social media as always, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.